Welcome to our YouTube channel, guys. And today we are going to discuss the difference between the Wix and the WordPress. And in this video, we are going to tell you that how you can make your own website without the help of the coders, without the help of the what you can say the developers. So in this video we are first going to discuss about the differences between the Wix and the WordPress, and then we are going to tell you that how you can make a free website. So first of all, if you are new, so we are going to tell you that Wix is basically, all in one platform that allows you to build a website from scratch on your own, with no coding skills required. It's marketed as a tool that's ideal for beginners. So, and the most important thing about the Wix is that there is 24/7 customer support on the Wix. So that is the a big thing, and if you guys are new to our YouTube channel, so what you can do, you can subscribe our YouTube channel, and you can click on the bell icon to get the notification about our latest videos. On the other hand, if we are going to discuss about the WordPress. WordPress, basically there is two types. You can say that there are two flavors in the WordPress. The one we are comparing here is a self-hosted WordPress. There is also the commercial WordPress zone as well. WordPress basically is an open source website software. To use it, you first have to install it on a web server. After that, you can create content pages in the WordPress and manage them in an easy way. WordPress also shows you to install ready-made designs called themes as well. The main WordPress software is basically free. You can download it freely and then install it on a web hosting server, and that's it. On the other hand, Wix is very straightforward. All you have to do is to go to the main Wix website. This is the main Wix website. Sign up for an account and then let Wix take you through all the steps from zero to a beautiful and functional website, even including an e-commerce module if you need that. How Wix works, its magic is something users appreciate a lot. And at the time of writing, the platform had well over 190 million people using it. So without losing the time, we are moving to the website of the Wix, and we are making a live website on the Wix. And the most beautiful thing about the Wix is that it's just drag and drop game. So what I am gonna do now, I am going to their website, and that is wix.com. First of all, when you are going to their website, there will be a button. There is mentioned that get started. So what I am gonna do, I am gonna click on the get started button, and it is looking for sign up option. So I am gonna connect this. I am gonna sign up through this to the my through my Google account. So I am going to sign up through my Google ID, and that's it. It is signed up at the moment. What is saying, create your first site. So create the new site, there is a button that there is mentioned that if you want to create new site, click on this button, and I am gonna click on this button. And what we have to do next, I am gonna tell you that what is you are going to tell you. So they are asking that what kind of website should this be. It will be a business website, it can be an online store, it can be a blogger website, it can be a photographer website. So I am gonna select that this will be a business website. So I am gonna select the business. Let Wix ADI create a website for you. So here there are two options. If you are going to ADI creation, the Wix is gonna prepare your website by their own. You just have to put the data on that. And if you are going if you are willing to customize your website, so you have to use a template, and then you have to edit that template according to your requirements. So what I am gonna do, I am gonna click on edit a template, because I am gonna make a customized website. So I am gonna click on edit a template. So what they are asking for, so this is the main page of the Wix. On the top there are different businesses and services. So according to the nature of the business, there are different templates. So you can select the nature of your business. As I am doing the real estate business, so I am gonna select the real estate. I am gonna click this one. So there are different templates on the website. You can choose anyone from these. There are some others as well. If you are going to make your own website without the help of the developers, so I am gonna select this template. So if I move the cursor on this one, there is two buttons, view and the edit. View is the whole view of the template, that when you are going to put your website live, then how this template will look like. So first of all, I am gonna edit this template according to my requirements. So we have to click the edit button, and we have to wait until this template is gonna open. So we have to wait for 10 to 20 seconds to open the template. Here it is. The template is open now. Now the ball is in our hands. So now all the game is just drag and drop. So we are just have to put the data, we have just to put the pictures, we have just to put the tabs according to our requirements. So what further we are going to teach you that how you can customize this template, how you can put images on this template, how you can customize images through your own collection. So until now, what we have learned, we have discussed the difference between the Wix and the WordPress, and we have told you that what is the best way nowadays to you to build your own website without the help of any developer. So in our next video, we are going to tell you that how you can edit these templates. So wait until our next video. For the time being, goodbye.